a short exercise for us to practice fill in with fill in the determiners few, a little, a little. To practice the determiners, we are going to have a small exercise. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with fill in the blanks with the determiners few, few, a few, little, a little, a little. Little or a little. So we have fill in the blanks with few, a few, a little, a little. Now when you say few, I said not many, a few means at least some, and then little means hardly, a little means some at least. Now let's look at the sentences. I have about 7 sentences where you can practice filling in with few, a few, little, a little. The first sentence here I have is dash. Dash customers have come to the shop to the shop and we are busy and we are busy. Second sentence I have here is dash customers customers have come to the shop and we are not so busy and we are not so busy. And the third sentence I have here is Sham has made dash progress in his work in his work and and is quite unhappy quite unhappy. And the fourth sentence Vicky has made Vicky has made Vicky has made dash progress. Progress and is quite happy. Quite happy about it. The fifth sentence, I cannot fit this box. I cannot. I cannot fit this box. I cannot fit this box. I need dash help. Next sentence, dash tourist have gone to Kashmir. This year because of the terrorism there. Next and the last sentence, I am quite tired. I am quiet, tired. I'm quite tired. And I am having dash days holidays next week. Now, I've got 7 sentences here, and we're going to learn to pick the determiners and fill up all these blanks. Fill in the blanks with determiners, few, a few, little, a little. Okay? Fill in the blank. I have 7 sentences here. We are going to fill in the blanks with few, a few, little, a little. So these 4 determiners can be used in the 7 sentences to complete the sentence. Dash customers have come to the shop and we are busy. Few customers. Few means not many. Few means not many. So few customers. The first answer is few. Few customers have come to the shop and we are busy. Few customers. The second sentence, customers have come to shop and we are not so busy. Now, a few means at least some. At least some, and we are not so very busy. So, a few customers. A few customers have come to the shop and we are not so busy. Sham has made dash progress in his work and is quite unhappy. Sham has made a little, because he's not happy. Sham has made A little. What is the meaning of a little? Some, at least some. Sham has made a little progress. A little. A little means at least some. And his work, progress in his work, and he's not quite happy. And he's quite unhappy. Could have done more. Vicky has made that progress and is quite happy about it. Vicky has made little progress. What's the meaning of little? Little means hardly, a little bit. So Vicky has made little progress. Little bit. Little progress, and he is quite happy. Maybe, okay, I have done little bit. I cannot fit this box. I need help. I need a little help. I cannot fix this box. I need a little. I mean, some help I need. Little help. Finally, we have the sixth one. Dash tourists have gone to Kashmir. A few tourists have gone to Kashmir this year because of the terrorism there. So, a few tourists have gone to Kashmir this year because of the terrorism. Finally, I am quite tired and I am having a few holidays. I'm going to take a break. You see, we're having a few days holidays next week. Let's look at the sentences again. Fill in with determiners, few, a few, little, a little. Few customers have come to the shop and we are busy. A few customers have come to the shop and we are not so busy. Few customers have come to the shop and we are busy. A few customers have come to the shop and we are not so busy. Sham has made a little progress in his work and he is quite unhappy. Vicky has made little progress. Little progress and is quite happy about it. I cannot fit this box. I need a little help. A little help. I need a little help. A few tourists have gone to Kashmir this year because of the terrorism there. I am quite tired and I'm having a few days of holidays I'm going to take. You say, I am quite tired and I'm having a few days holidays next week. So we have learned to fill in the determiners, few, a few, little, a little.